Okay, welcome to QBasic Programming Lesson 17. Lesson 17 is about color. The color command changes text color and sometimes the background color. The background color is optional and the text color too is optional. It's up to you to choose which you want. The color text, background color, and then it's optional, like I said. For example, of course, CLS. So use my command CLS color 4. Then print Mr. Programming. And let me run this. I'll explain to you the 4 and the color code maybe in the next video. Let's wait for it. Okay. You see that the color is what? Is red. So this is, if I want to print the text in color format, I'll use the color code. Okay? I can actually change this. Let me have one more example for this. Let's say color 14. Sorry. Color 14. And 1. Print Mr. Programming. I changed this now, and I'll explain to you what this actually means. The color and the background. The first part is changing the color text, while the second part, that 1, is the background color. The 14 will change the text color, which is color code 14, and 1 is the background color 1. I'll explain the other color code in the next video. Don't forget to watch the next video, okay? Before I move to the next topic, I will explain the color code in program. Now, I try as much as I can to make the lesson bit by bit, so even as an adult, you can as well learn something. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.